Hallo, guten Tag, good afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, good
শুভ স্যার শুনতে
afternoon.
পাচ্ছেন?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
আচ্ছা স্টুডেন্টস, আমি অভিষেক স্যার বলছি। একটু বলে দিই, গুড আফটারনুন স্টুডেন্টস। অ্যাকচুয়ালি we are happy to inform you that German language course is going to start from today onwards. ঠিক আছে, তো আমরা কলেজের তরফ থেকে কি highly appreciation from you, and I would like to suggest you every class এটা বলছি তোদের জন্য খুবই, মানে তোমাদের জন্য কেরিয়ারের জন্য খুবই বেনিফিশিয়াল হবে। তো
Sir,
তোমাদের
you are
সঙ্গে
not
রয়েছেন
clearly audible.
ম্যাডাম সাথী। Am I audible?
Oh, hi.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you're audible, but sometimes your voice is breaking.
Okay. Actually, Satilekha madam is there. So please attend the class, and ma'am, please welcome to our college and please start.
Thank you, sir, for such a beautiful intro. And I'm very happy to come here and to teach you all. First of all, I must say that I'm Swatilika Bhattacharya, and I have been learning German for more than 5 years, and I have been teaching German for more than 3 years. My first teaching began from Kendriya Vidyalaya Swalik Sector 1, and that is my first teaching career. And then I got selected when I was just have completed my B1 level, that is the B1 niveau that we say in our German. So, and after that I got selected, and from the panel, and I had been teaching there. But due to some government circular and all, it has been stopped. But then I just, carry on with my teaching experience, and I had also taught in many institutes and also in some schools also. So now I have the great opportunity to share my knowledge, whatever I have learned with you all. I hope you will be just enthusiastic to learn this language, because nowadays um, you are on this position, like you are the young learners and the young achievers. I must say that you are just just heading for the goal of your life. Your career is going to begin after few years after completing the courses that you are doing. And the foreign language is such a advantage in your career path, as a plus point in your curriculum vitae, CV. If you write that, yes, I know German language, there is a big plus point nowadays, because nowadays the position has been changed. Nowadays we look forward for a global career, isn't it? We all just look forward for a global career. It's not that we want to stick in one place and we want to we want to be stagnant. No, it's not that. We want to move on in our life, isn't it? So learning foreign language gives you much more bigger opportunities for your career. And also it gives you a plan B. What plan B? You are the mainstream learners, isn't it? We are learning, of course, we just always love to have a mainstream life, but if it doesn't work that way, then we have something else. I don't know if you have read or not. I think it's in short news, that is the app that I have, or sometimes in Telegraph also. It has come a few days ago that those who were working as an interpreter, German interpreter or the French interpreter, they have lost some of their jobs and all because of the corona pandemic and all. But they have taken up a new career. What? Now they are teaching now. So, if you learn a language, which career is going to come fruitful for you, you never know, isn't it? It's not that like we always get to stuck, because I am a postgraduate in English. I thought of giving my net, and of course I'm going to do my B.Ed and all. I have done my B.Ed, sorry. I have done my B.Ed, and I just thought of teaching English language, and I wanted to be a professor. So I'm heading for PhD, but due to my personal life, I could not do it. But of course I will do it. maybe after 1 year or 2 years. But the thing is, along with learning English, after my post-graduation, when I was completing my post-graduation, I was also taking classes, German classes from Jadavpur University. And I felt like, wow, it's a new era. It's a new language. And with such a lot of knowledge you get, because I'm not talking about the first world or the third world country. We are developing, they are developed ones. That I'm not bifurcating about this, but what I'm talking about, the topics that they discuss, it's really very interesting. It's really very enriching. The more you learn, the more your mind get enriches, isn't it? Swami Vivekananda, I have read in one that Swami Vivekananda once, took in 6 months he learned French language. He just went there and because he is a supremo, he is a god, omnipotent Lord, I can say, and I do believe in him. So it's not the case that I can learn anything you can learn anything in 6 months. But if you delve a little bit of your time into this language, you will see, first of all, if you learn each and everything, you will be finding like, oh my god, it's too tough, I can't do it, oh my god, it's so boring. But dear, just give some time, you just flow with this language, then you will understand what beautiful language it is. And I just want to tell you, if you want to learn French or Spanish or Italian, these three languages have a similarity. French, because I have also learned French, I have also learned French, so I know the grammar part. The tenses that we study in English, the variety of tenses that they have given, simple past, past present, past perfect, present perfect continuous, this all have come from the French grammar. Okay, now if you study German, they are very, very simple ones. Germans go by rules. They don't step forward without rules. Okay. I want to tell you something about German attributes, or what they love to do. They love to plan. Okay. They love to plan each and everything. And I think most of you will be wanting, like, if I want to learn German language, I love to go to that place, I love to study there. Yes, of course, there are lots and lots of opportunities, good opportunities for your career path. Why don't we? Isn't it? It's our life. Why don't we just think abroad, just think abroad? Yeah, isn't it? We can too, isn't it? Yes, we can. So it's so good to see that so many people so many my learners, young learners, are have taken this class to learn this language. I'm very happy and to see you all. But I know maybe due to some network issue, or I can't see your video. But when I am doing this language now, I just want that some of you, or if you can, just switch on your video so that I can see your face, and I know we can have an interaction, because without interaction, language can't be learned. If I can't see you, as you can see, why I have switched on my video, because to learn a language, you need to see my lips moving. If I ask you Guten Tag, good afternoon is Guten Tag. So you have to see how my lips are moving, Guten Tag. And I want your lips also to see how you are pronouncing, because Aussprache, we say Aussprache pronunciation in German. That is very important. That is a very, very important part in German. Aussprache, how you pronounce a word, because like in our Bengali also, if somebody who has come from our different region, from Rajasthan or some Gujarat, if they say Bengali, Bengali mein hum ye khate hain, or we get to know, okay, don't know Bengali, you have come here and you have learned this language maybe for two to 3 days, and now you're talking like this. The accent, the intonation part is not clear, and it's understandable that this is not your mother tongue, and you can't say this language. What we have to do, we have to learn this language like it was a mother tongue, Muttersprache. Mother tongue is known as a Muttersprache. Okay, we have to learn like that. We have to be champion in this language. And if German comes and talk to you, oh yes, of course, I'm ready to talk to you, isn't it? Okay, so I have introduced myself, and I will be asking you to introduce yourself in German also. Today only we will learn that, but a little bit, not too high, not too low. Okay, so yeah. I can see all the okay, like I'm very used to with all the videos on, but I know there maybe you are having some network problem and all that's why you can't. But this is my first class, so I will be repeating myself that if you can, then from our next class onwards, I want you all to just switch on your video, because I want a large class to look how they're looking. You're beautiful young learners. I want to see you. Okay. Okay, now, yes, now I want to share my screen. I want to start my lessons today. See, it's not a, if you find anything, just unmute yourself and ask, okay? Please feel free to ask me. If you can't understand, if you like, if you have any problem, then please ask me, okay? Okay, so.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Okay.
And I want you to write also something, okay? You just put the date today's and start with whenever I just ask you, then only you can write, okay? Not before that. Not everything I'm going to ask you to write. Children, yeah, sorry, children. Learners, can you see the screen, dear students? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
Wonderful.
ma'am.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. Very good. Okay. Yes. Some girls' voice also I heard. Very good. Good to learn. Female power, woman power. Okay. Good. So, Begrüßung. Okay. Begrüßung. Begrüßung is what? Greetings. Begrüßung. We greet each other, isn't it? Whenever we are going to start any day, good morning, we always say with a cheerful smile, good morning. So they also have their greetings, isn't it? And they love their greetings. You know, they are very much, if you go to German and if you stay there and if you meet any strangers, like if they smile, they don't smile. Many of them, they really don't smile, they don't talk also, they are very, you know, like a reserved kind of people. But if they smile, you have to say guten tag. You have to say the timing also, guten tag, guten tag, or the hello, guten tag, hello. Okay, like this way we are also going to learn today the greetings in German. Okay, greetings. Begrüßung is what? Greetings. You can also write this word Begrüßung and you can underline this word and you can write the English, the meaning greeting. Begrüßung, greeting. Okay? Begrüßung, greeting. Good. This person is saying to this woman, Guten Morgen, and she is saying hello. Hello. Like we say in English, no? Hello. Okay. Here. H-A-L-L-O. H-A-L-L-O. Spelling is hello, but we are going to pronounce what? Hello. Hello. Okay. Then we have Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good morning. I have also given the English translation. If you want, then you can note it down. Okay. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Okay. Guten Tag. Good day. Good day. Good afternoon. Guten Tag. Okay. Grüß Gott. Good day. But this Grüß Gott is mostly used in southern Germany and Austria. Okay, we are going to learn about the map also, the Deutschland map. And Germany is known in German language as Deutschland. Deutschland. Okay, Deutschland. We are going to learn Deutschsprache. Deutsch. We are going to learn what? Deutsch.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I say good day as Guten Gott?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I say good day as Guten Gott? not Grüß Gott. Can I say it Guten Gott?
9. Guten Gott 9. Grüß Gott. Grüß Gott you will not use in most of the places of in Germany. You will just use Guten Tag because you know it's already given that in southern Germany and Austria they say Grüß Gott. Okay. Grüß Gott. Okay. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Who has asked me? May I know your name, dear?
And Shomadip Hota.
Shomadip Gupta. Okay, Shomadip. Have I
Ma'am,
made
Hota.
myself clear?
Ma'am, Shomadip Hota.
Okay. Shomadip Hota. Yeah,
Hello,
I
ma'am.
can see your name. Sorry. Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Shomadip, Shomadip, is it clear, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, you will not mismatch anything, dear. Okay.
Hello,
These
ma'am.
are the yeah. Who is speaking?
Ma'am, Shandip Dattu. ma'am,
Shandip
বলছিলাম,
Datta. Yes, Shandip.
ম্যাম একটুখানি নেটওয়ার্ক প্রবলেম হচ্ছিল তো ক্লাসে আমি একটুখানি আগে থেকে জয়েন করতে পারিনি, তো আপনি কি এটা ফার্স্ট করেছেন?
Yes. This is my only
আচ্ছা।
first. Begrüßung. Okay. I'm just going a little bit up. Begrüßung. Just a second.
যদি আরেকবার রিপিট করেন ভালো হয়। আর এগুলো কি
হ্যাঁ,
লিখতে
হ্যাঁ,
হচ্ছে?
এগুলো হচ্ছে কি লিখলে খুব ভালো হবে। লিখলে আমি
আচ্ছা,
তোমাদেরকে পিডিএফটা শেয়ার করে দেবো, no matter, but still না, language is all about practicing what you are learning, you know. If you write more, that will be okay. And I want my children to talk in English or in French. Okay, no Bengali, please. We will converse in English or otherwise in German. Not in Bengali. Okay, there's a class for you to converse. What if you are not getting anything that is very difficult word? Then of course I'm going to explain in Bengali, but not before that we are going to converse in English or in German. Okay, dear? Very good. Wonderful. Okay, now I have not started much. I have just introduced myself and about the German language. It's all about the greetings part. Okay, it's all about the greetings part that we are learning. Okay, hello, that is hello. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Grüß Gott. Good day. Grüß Gott. Guten Abend. Good evening. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen is what? Goodbye. Formal. To our teachers, to our officers, to the boss that we are working with, to our parents, to our grandparents, of course, auf Wiedersehen. But there are many ways that you can also say goodbye. How? Ciao. Ciao. Tschüss. Ciao. Tschüss. Ciao. Ciao. Tschüss. Ciao. Tschüss. Okay, like this you're going to pronounce. Okay, I want at least anybody to just unmute yourself and pronounce with me. I'll be learning your names simultaneously. If anybody wants to just pronounce with me, anybody wants to unmute and pronounce with me.
Yeah, ma'am. Please tell me.
Shubhadeep, wow.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Hello.
Hello.
Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Guten, I have not said Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten.
Guten Morgen.
টিটাকে হালকা করে ছেড়ে দাও. Guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen.
Sehr gut. Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Tag.
Guten Tag.
Sehr gut. Grüß Gott.
Grüß Gott.
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend.
Sehr gut, Shubhadeep. Sehr gut means very good. Okay, I'm going to repeat this many times. Sehr gut, Shubhadeep. Okay,
Thank you.
and anybody else wants to try with me? Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Shayandev, Nilanjana Raut. Okay, you both can try. Okay, auf with the Zen.
How would you say?
How with the Zen?
Auf with the Zen.
How would you say?
Auf with
How
the
with the Zen?
Zen. W is always pronounced. We are going to learn the alphabet also gradually. W is always pronounced as V. V. W is pronounced okay. So auf with the Zen. V will come. Okay. Auf with the
How would
Zen.
you say?
Auf with the Zen. Sehr gut. Auf with the Zen.
How would
Anybody
you say?
else wants to try? Very good. Wonderful. Auf with the Zen.
Auf with the Zen.
Now, sehr gut. Sehr gut. Choose.
How with the Zen?
Then choose.
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 Choose. Choose.
Choose.
Not choose. Choose.
Ma'am, here,
Choose.
ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, here,
Ma'am,
ma'am, T is silent.
Yeah, pardon.
Ma'am.
Please louder. Please say loudly.
Ma'am, I am saying, ma'am, here the word choose, ma'am. Here, ma'am, first of all, ma'am, the TAC is silent, ma'am.
Yeah, of course. T is silent. Choose. T is silent.
Ma'am,
T
choose
is
means?
silent. SC. Choose means goodbye in informal. Formal. Auf with the Zen. Formal. Goodbye to your principal. Goodbye to your teachers. Goodbye to your parents, grandparents, anybody, senior, formal person. Auf with the Zen. Goodbye to your friends, your endearing friends, or your relatives, or your not relatives means those who are younger. Okay, to your sister, to your brother, you can say ciao or the choose. Choose is very common. Okay? Choose. It's a bit endearing, with the way we say goodbye. Choose, bis bald. You're going to learn many expressions are there. It's very nice. Okay, so now, yeah. Wait. Ciao. Choose, then ciao. 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 Spelling is CIAO. Okay? But the pronunciation is what? Ciao. Ciao. Anybody wants to try with me? Ciao.
Yes, ma'am.
Ciao.
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 Yeah. Ciao.
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 Ciao. So we are not going to say auf with the Zen. Okay? We are going to say each other what? We are going to dozen of the season.
Ciao.
Dozen means what? Dozen means to say tumi like that. And season is to say apni, That's a different time we are. Between a teacher and the learners, there should not be any apni. There should be tumi, isn't it? So we are after every class, we are going to say ciao or the choose. Okay? Like this. Okay? Good. Very good. Wonderful. Then we are coming to the main part, that is the alphabets. You have to learn how they're going to pronounce this alphabet. See, 26 letters we have in English. We also have in our German. Don't have to think there is a Russian, Hebrew. No, this is German. Very simple. But some words are, excuse me, some words pronounced are different. Okay. Now, so I'm going to, I can't, okay, can I give you the names? If I cannot see the names, then I'll ask you. Okay, now I want at least 3 or 4 people to unmute, and then they are going to, first I'm going to repeat, and then they are going to say with me this pronunciation. Was this low? Why is not going down? Yeah. Okay. A, B, A, Munish, kleiner Munish guy. Yeah, A,
মানে আর
আ
যেটা বলছেন এটা কি মানে ম্যাম
আ
এর উচ্চারণটা এইচ হচ্ছে
বে
আ
এ আ
আ
আ
বে বে
pronunciation please.
হ্যালো
Okay, now just ein moment bitte. I want you to write the pronunciation. Whenever you're writing the alphabet, please write the pronunciation as well. This way you pronounce. Okay, this way you will pronounce. A is not A, it's A. Germans always, Deutsch always pronounce A as A. Tag, not tag. Tag, T-A-G, tag. Okay, Abend, not Abend, is Abend. Okay, if you make this clear how you're pronouncing the alphabets, then I can guarantee you that you will not make any mistakes in your pronunciation. If you figure out the pronunciation now, just the basic level, then you will not have any difficulties. The moment you will forget how we are pronouncing this A, B, C, D, you will have the problem. Okay? So, A is Ima. Ima is always, that is, A is Ima, A. Okay? A. B. A. B. Say. T is silent. Say. Day. A. First, let me pronounce and then I'm going to ask some of you and then you will unmute and you will repeat after me. Okay? First, listen to me very carefully. A. B.
A
Say.
A B
Not now,
Say.
dear. Not now. Shubhadeep, not now. Just listen to me very carefully. Make this pronunciation very clear in your head and then repeat. Okay? A. B. Say. D. A. F. G. Ha. E. Yacht. Yacht. Ka. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. L. S. T. U. V. V. X. Y. etc. আচ্ছা, one thing I have told you, এটা বাংলা লিখতে, এটা বাংলায় লিখে রাখো, অসুবিধা নেই, ঠিক আছে? A is always A. V is always pronounced as F. V. Always F. Fow. Okay? V is always F. W is always pronounced as V. V. Okay? V. Okay? X is X. Y is Upsilon. Z is pronounced as S. And S is pronounced as Z. This interchanging of pronunciation, please note it down in your copy. S is pronounced S. Yes, I'm repeating. S is pronounced as Z. Whenever you can see S word in German, you will pronounce it as Zeit. S-E-I-T, Zeit, not sight. Z is Ima, Z. And Z is Imar, S. Always S. Z is Imar, S. S is Imar, Z. V is always F. And W is always V. We are going to learn many more words, and absolutely we are going to learn how these words are interchanging in themselves. Have I made myself clear? Any doubt?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
R.
Ma'am,
air, air.
ma'am, please repeat once again.
Yeah, sure. জিভটাকে ঘোরাবে, আরটাকে আমি একটু বুঝিয়ে দিই। জিভটাকে ঘোরাবে, রোল ইওর টাং, তারপরে আরটা বেরোবে মুখ দিয়ে। আর এর এর এর, রোল ইওর টাং, এর এর, yeah, sehr gut, এর, sehr gut, এর।
Thank you, ma'am.
এর না, এটা কে করলো একটু আগে? এর না, এর। Roll your tongue. If you roll your tongue, the pronounce will be different one. Okay, good, very good, well tried. Yes, of course I'm going to repeat myself. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, H, ha. I, E, I is not I, E, J, yacht, J, yacht, K, car, L, M, N. These are the same one that we pronounce in English also. M, N, O. Okay. Pay. It's not P. It's pay. Pay. Q. Cool. Cool. R. Air. Okay. Air. S. S. Okay. T. Tay. U. U. W. Foul. Way. W. U. V. Sorry. V. Foul. W. Way. X. X. Y. Upsilon. Z is set. You will just pronounce set. Okay. Now you have some Ausnahme. Ausnahme are what? Exceptions.
Ma'am, one question is here, ma'am.
Yeah. Shondipan. Yes, Shondipan, tell me.
Ma'am, in here, ma'am, in alphabet.
Can you please say loudly, my dear? Shondipan, dear, can you please say loudly, dear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am saying that,
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
in alphabet J, you, ma'am, pronounced it as yacht, ma'am.
Yeah,
Means,
just
ma'am,
yeah. I can understand. Here is a typing mistake. I'm going to just yeah. Thank you for that. It is going to be yacht. J. Thank you. It's a printing mistake. Is J, okay? J-O-T. Thank you. J-O-T. Yacht. J-O-T. Yacht. Okay? J-O-T. Yacht. It's not what. J-O-T. Yacht. Okay? J is always pronounced as yacht. Okay? Good. Acha. Then we have this Ausnahme or the exceptions that we have. Okay? What are the exceptions that we have? Wait, I'm going to not use this pen anymore. Yeah. A umlaut. You can see here, or I will take the pen. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Yes. You can see a umlaut. Okay. This is the dot that you can see, na? You can see the dot over here. A dot.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
are
ma'am.
called the umlaut. Umlaut. Wait, let me
Umlaut,
write
okay.
it. Just a second. I'm going to write. Actually, I just take my classes on Zoom. There I have a whiteboard. Here I don't have a whiteboard, I don't think. Yeah, I don't have a whiteboard. Okay. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. Write down the spelling. U M L A U T. Umlaut. U M L A U T. Umlaut. Umlaut are the things that they use in German. Why they are used? They are used to make a differentiation in the pronunciation. When we are using the same vowels, there has to be some differentiation in pronounce. We use, like, how they are going to use, whenever you're going to see a double punct, that is that they say punct, that is a dot, a dot above, that is the umlaut. Okay, a umlaut. How we are going to pronounce the a umlaut? A umlaut is pronounced as a e, a e. A dot or a umlaut is pronounced as a e, a. Simple, that is English A and a e. Okay, a e, a umlaut, a e. A similar to the a e in melon. Okay, whenever you're going to pronounce the melon like this, only you're going to pronounce the a e part. A is going to come. Okay, and then o umlaut, similar to the I in girl. U, no equivalent in English, and S is a double S sound. Double S, that is, they give. Okay, as we move on, as we will learn the new words, then these are going to be very easier for us. Okay, okay. Now we are going to learn some words also. Otherwise, there's only alphabets. It's not going to help us. Okay, good. Let me erase it. So, my dear learners, are you finding this interesting or boring? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine,
yes,
fine.
ma'am.
It's so interesting.
Very interesting.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Interesting, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
only you have just
Interesting,
started.
ma'am.
Okay, we are going to learn. Okay, we are going to hear a very baby song for us. For why? Because we are also babies in this language. So we are also going to be the kinder or the children part. Okay, we are going to see how they are going to pronounce. More clearly you can see. Okay, just a second. Can you hear?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yes. Can you hear or you can't hear?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
We
ma'am.
can
No,
see
ma'am.
the video sound is not.
Sound is not coming.
Okay, just a second. Let me check. I have included media sound. Let me see now. I think you can hear it. I just hope that you can hear it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N, O, P, Q, R.
Can you hear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Somebody are saying yes, somebody are no. Is it most of the yes or most of the no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Most of the yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. Okay.
A, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, J, Ö und das Ü. Zum Lernen ist es nie zu früh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, YZ, Juche, Ö, Ü und SZ. Nun ist das Alphabet komplett.
Do you want to hear once again?
A,
Yes, ma'am.
B, C, D,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, J, Ö und das Ü. Zum Lernen ist es nie zu früh. A, B, C, D, E, F. Lernen ist es nie zu früh.
What that means? Zum Lernen ist es nie so früh. Okay? For learning is never so easy. Learning is always takes time, isn't it? Learning takes time, and learning also is not very easy. Okay? Good.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, J, Ö, Ü und SZ. Nun ist das Alphabet komplett.
Good. Danke. Okay, we are going to see the another word here. Danke. If yours. Okay. This is stop sharing. Okay. Yeah. I'm going to share the screen once again. Don't have to worry. But no, this is not the screen. Yeah. Yeah. So this way we are going to learn, or we have learned, the alphabets. Okay, good. Now, after learning the alphabets, we should also know what type of words are there in German. Okay. Now, there are three types of article. Basically, there are three types of article. We are not going to learn about the three different parts of the article now. We are just going to say this words aloud. Okay. Why, die, why, das, why, there. We have only the. We have only the with us. Isn't it? We always say, na, the elephant, the Taj Mahal. We always say like this, isn't it? So in English, we have only the. But here they have three different types to say the, isn't it? So we are going to learn this. But now, today, I will not, delve into the differentiation why there are three different Ds. Okay, we're going to learn in our next class why there are three different D are there. Okay, now D, mouse, D, mouse. Das Haus, das Haus. Der Arm, der Arm. Die Hand, die Hand. The pictures are also given here, so it won't be any problem for you to make out what these words mean. Okay, mouse, you can see mouse over here, but see the spelling is different. The pronunciation is most of the same. Die mouse. Okay, das Haus, home. That is the home of anybody. House. Der Arm, die Hand. Okay, then okay. Now I want three of you who loves to unmute themselves. They can please unmute and please repeat these words after me.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Die
Yes, ma'am.
Maus. Yeah.
Die
Die
Maus.
Maus.
Die Maus. Die Maus.
Das Haus.
Das Haus.
Der Arm.
Der Arm.
Der Arm.
Die Hand,
Die
Die
Hand.
Hand.
Die
not
Hand.
hand. Die Hand, yeah, die Hand, okay?
Die Hand.
Somebody
Die
has,
Hand.
yeah,
Die
yeah,
Hand.
somebody has just said hand. Don't say hand, okay? Die Hand, okay, good. And then what we have? Okay, now please mute yourself. I want somebody others also to unmute themselves. Please unmute and please repeat these words after me. Die Maus,
Die
Die
Maus.
Maus.
Die Maus.
die Maus,
Yo.
Shagota, okay, yeah, das Haus,
Das
Das
Haus.
Haus.
Das
der
Haus.
Arm, der Arm,
Der Arm.
Der Arm.
der Arm, die Hand,
Die
Die
Hand.
Hand. Die Hand.
not hand. Somebody has just said a hand. No, dear,
Hand.
is hand, okay? Die Hand, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
A is always pronounced as a, isn't it? A is always a, so it has to be a hand, isn't it? Okay, good, very good. Then we have their finger.
Your finger. Your
Very
Their
good.
finger.
Their fingers, yeah, good. Then we have, okay, now mute yourself, mute yourself. Somebody now, 3 more, please unmute. Just a second. Okay, dear ball,
Der Ball.
Your ball.
Dia Ball.
das Bus,
Das
Das Bus.
der Kindergarten,
Der Kindergarten.
die Eis, die Eis.
Die Eis.
Okay, yeah. Then we have, these are the words that are very simple, okay, that you can remember. Okay, I want you to do one thing. Now please mute yourself. I want to do one thing. Whenever you are going to learn the words that you're going to learn, please use some different colorful pens. Okay, dear D, das. Dear means masculine, D means feminine, and das means neutral or neutrum, that is the neutral. Okay, always use different color pencils to, always see that you can then easily make out what are the different articles are given. Okay, now here comes the most interesting part. We should learn how to introduce. Yes, tell me.
Sorry, ma'am, please repeat.
Which one, dear?
একটু রিপিট করবেন, শুনতে পাই।
Ma'am, the masculine and the feminine.
Oh, আমি হচ্ছে কি ওটা, that I will explain next class, but still, like, see, if I always tell you like this, you won't be able to get it, but still I have just, whenever I have said, then you need to know also. D is for feminine article, D, the. In German, you have 3 different the. Okay, D is feminine. I'll be making a chart for you. This will take another class. This will be fully different, okay? Because you have to always learn the cases also, in what cases they decide, okay? So D is for feminine. Das is for neutral or for neutral, that we say in English. And der is the masculine. Der, masculine. Das, neutral. And D are the feminine. Okay, now is going to be a bit boring if you just learn these words only. Okay, now we should move on to introduce ourselves, isn't it? Then it's going to be a bit fun. Why don't you say? But why my screen is not moving? What happened to this? Okay, I'll just stop the sharing and then again I'll just do that. Yeah. Yeah, here I have.
Ma'am, can you please share this PPT in your WhatsApp group?
Yes, of course. I'm going to share each and every document, but whatever that I'm going to teach you in your WhatsApp group. You
Okay,
don't
ma'am.
have to
Thank
worry
you.
about it. I'm going to share. Yeah, I'm going to share. Then how will you understand if I won't share with you? Of course, I'm going to share. Whatever you're going to study each and every day, I'm going to share each and every document with you. Okay. Okay. Now, but it doesn't mean that you will not write in your copy. Okay, you have to write in your copy also. That's also a very important thing. Okay, but the thing that I'm going to tell you that only you will write in your copy, not before that. Okay. Okay. Yes. How to introduce yourself? Okay. What is your name? How will you say? What is? Can you see me, dear? Because I can't see me here.
Yes,
Or
Yes,
maybe
ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
you see me.
You
Good.
are visible.
Good.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am. I can see
Good.
you.
Good. Okay. Good. Perfect. Was ist Ihr Name? We can ask in German, what is your name, in 3 ways, in 3 types. Was ist Ihr Name? Was ist Ihr Name? Wer sind Sie? Wer sind Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Was ist Ihr Name? Wer sind Sie? Wie heißen Sie? Formal. Okay. These all are the formal. Today we are just going to learn the formal way of asking. I'm not going to ask you to. I won't make you learn the informal one because that is a different form that we are going to use. Okay. Okay. Was ist Ihr Name? Okay. Now, I want 2 people to unmute themselves. 2 people, any 2 people. Please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
May I know your name, dear? One is Medhashri, na?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Medhashri and another one Suresh. Good. So, Suresh and Medhashri, what you will do, Suresh is going to ask you a question and Medhashri is going to reply. Okay? Suresh, you ask her, where sind Sie?
Where sind Sie?
Yeah, where sind Sie? Medhashri, you will just say your name. My Name ist Medhashri. See, written over here in blue. In bluing it is written. My Name ist Medhashri.
My name is Medhashri.
You will change your name over here. Here Anna is given. You will say my name is Medhashri. Zia good, Medhashri and Suresh. Can you please carry on?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
MEIN mine.
Mine. MEIN mine. Mine. MEIN mine. My
Here
name is
to pronounce with T or T is silent.
yeah. Bitte?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm saying that here T is also pronounced with is. I mean is or it's here T is just silent.
Where T is coming, dear, is
Ma'am,
M
here
E.
is some
T
background
is
noise.
my name is.
Oh, my
Here T is silent or
name is.
T is also
No.
pronounced.
T is not silent, but you will not pronounce east. Not like this, okay? My name is. My
Okay,
name
ma'am.
is. জোর দেবে না টিতে। টিটা বলবে কিন্তু আমরা জোর দেব না। চাপ দেব মানে জোর দিয়ে বলবো না টিটা। জাস্ট হালকা করে ছেড়ে দেব। My name is the Medhashri. My name is Swati Lekha. Okay? I have already told you. Mute yourself. Somebody's background feedback is coming. Yeah, will you please mute yourself? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Now another two. Another two. Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Oh, Monisha,
Yes,
Gayan,
ma'am.
and I can see who else?
Yes, ma'am.
Monisha, Gayan, and Shurojit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Poulumi has also. Poulumi, I'm going to ask you for the second question. Okay. Now I'm going to ask between Shurojit and yes, ma'am. Please do. Then I'm going to see the name also.
Monisha Gayan.
Monisha. Very good, Monisha. Okay. Now, Monisha, you're going to ask Shurojit. V hyphen Z. V hyphen Z.
We hasn't see.
S is always Z. 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 V
Z.
hyphen Z.
We
hyphen
hasn't.
Z.
We hasn't see.
V hyphen.
We hasn't Z.
V hyphen Z. Okay, yeah. Now, Shurojit, please say.
Yes, ma'am.
Ish hyse. Shurojit.
Is high say
Ish.
Shurojit.
Ish.
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 Ish hyse.
Is high say Surajit.
Not hyse. Hyse.
I say. I
Come
say.
again.
I
Hyse.
say.
Say.
I say.
Hyse.
I say. I say.
Sa.
I say.
Sa.
I say. I
Just
say.
say. Wait. Shurojit, just say sa.
Cha. Cha.
Sa.
Cha.
Sa.
Cha. Cha.
Okay. No, okay. No problem. V hyphen Z ish hyphen Shurojit. Okay, yeah, good. Very good, Shurojit. Good. Now,
Thank you, ma'am.
another two pointer. Yeah, very good. Okay, now, somebody else, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody else? Poulumi. Yes, Poulumi with Poulumi. Who wants to join Poulumi?
Yes, ma'am.
Who wants to? Okay, Medhashri, you got a chance, dear. And
Okay, ma'am.
anybody else wants to unmute themselves?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. May I know the name, dear?
Reshmi
Poulumi
Goyal.
and Reshmi. Very good. Wonderful. Okay. Now, Reshmi, you're going to ask Poulumi. We are Gen Z. We are Gen Z.
We
What's
are
your
Gen Z.
Yeah. Very good. We are Gen Z. Yeah. Poulumi, you will answer. Ich bin. Just you say this one only. Okay. What's your age, Poulumi? If you don't mind telling.
Ma'am, 21.
Very good. Okay. Then she is a very honest girl because nowadays girls don't say their age. Good. Ich bin 21 Jahre alt. Ich bin
Ich bin ein
und
und
20
20
Jahre
Jahre
alt.
alt.
Sehr gut. Please repeat, Poulumi, this
Sehr
sentence. No,
ich
sehr gut.
bin
I have complimented. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Ich bin
Ich bin
ein
Ich bin ein
und 20
20
Jahre
Jahre
alt. Sehr
Ist
gut.
in-
Okay.
Ich bin
Ich
in
bin
und
ein
ich
und
bin
ein und 20
20
Jahre alt.
Jahre alt.
Jahre
Okay.
alt. Sehr gut. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, এটা মানে
Poulumi,
কি?
you
এটা বললেন?
yeah. We are the Gen Z. What's your age? We alt Gen Z. Please write down the meaning also if you want. We alt Gen Z. That means, what's your age? We alt Gen Z. What's your age? Now,
Gen Z.
follow me.
What's your
We
age
alt,
or how old are you?
yeah.
What's your age or how old are you?
Yeah, what's your age or how old are you? Same meaning. Absolutely right. How old are you or what's your age? Same meaning. And then the answer comes, I am 21 years old. What is I am?
What is
Ich bin.
ম্যাম হোয়াট ইজ ইওর নেম? ওইটা যদি একটুখানি থার্ডে যেটা লেখা আছে ওয়ার হি সিন সি ওইটারটা যদি উচ্চারণ করে ম্যাম ভালো হয়।
Okay, sure. Very good. Where sind Sie?
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, of course, Indranil.
Right, actually, ma'am, in this case, where sind Sie? Is it right or where sind Sie?
Where sind Sie?
S
Not
will
Sin.
pronounce as Z. S will
S
pronounce
is
as Z.
always Z, dear. So why the S will come? Whenever you are going to have the double S, then the S is going to come. Double S is immer pronounced as S. But when the S is there, it is always going to Sind Z, not Sind Z. Understood, dear?
Where sind Sie? Okay, ma'am. Is it right?
What is your name? Third sentence, ma'am.
Yeah. Come again.
What is your name? ওইটার জার্মান সেন্টেন্সের থার্ড সেন্টেন্সটা দেখুন ম্যাম we
hyphen Z. Not এখানে কিন্তু Z উচ্চারণ করো না, এটা কিন্তু সিম্পল S. We hyphen Z. We hyphen Z.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Yes, বলো.
Ma'am, আমরা যদি if I say a কে যদি a বলি, then how do I pronounce Anna word?
Anna? Yeah, Anna.
Anna কে তাহলে ম্যাম কেমন শোনাবে? Anna. Okay.
My name is Anna. Yeah, Anna na. Anna na. এখানে আমরা Anna Hazare আসছে না। এখানে Anna. Okay, no Anna Hazare.
ম্যাম আমি এটাই বলতে চাইছিলাম যে এটাকে তো আমরা ম্যাম জার্মানিতে আ বলছি, তো তাহলে এখানে যে আনা লেখাও আছে ওয়ার্ডটা
আনা। তুমি তো করে দিলে প্রনাউন্সটা। তুমি তো করে দিলে। ভেরি গুড, ওয়ান্ডারফুল পায়েল। তুমি তো নিজেই বলে দিলে প্রনাউন্সটা। আনা। অ্যাবসলিউটলি রাইট, একদম ঠিক বলেছো। আনা। ওকে, গুড, ভেরি গুড। ওকে, নাও আচ্ছা, আই ওয়াজ জোকিং। ওকে, প্লিজ ডোন্ট টেক দিস অ্যাজ সিরিয়াস ওয়ান। বাবা রেকর্ডিং হচ্ছে না তো, যাই হোক। My name is Anna. Okay. Okay. Now next two. Come on.
Ma'am, I'm ready.
Very good.
Ma'am, I also.
Why Shomodip only coming? Chandan Chaudhary, new name. Another. I have 145 participants, and only the Shomodip only coming. Shomodip. Okay, good. Deepankar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he
Yes,
has
ma'am.
left only. Okay. He has left only Deepankar. After seeing me and hearing me, he has only, okay, I thought he's joining me. Okay, no problem. Shomodip, come on, let's start. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Shomodip, very good. We are Gen Z.
We are Gen Z.
You are asking whom? Who has unmuted? Come
Yes,
on,
ma'am.
please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Chandan, good. Shomodip, ask Chandan.
We are Gen Z.
চন্দন তোমার এজটা বলো আমাকে ইংলিশে, তারপরে আমি জার্মানটা বলে দেবো।
20.
ওকে,
It's not 20.
Swansish. Okay, Swansish.
Okay.
Swansish.
Shish. Swan.
Yeah.
Shish. Yes.
Yeah, good.
Swan.
Okay.
Shish.
Yeah. Okay. Now ask the question again, Shomodip.
We are Gen Z.
We are Gen Z.
We are Gen Z.
Yeah, Chandan? Ich bin.
Ma'am,
sorry.
we are Zindagi.
We alt sind sie. We alt. A-L-T.
Second line. We alt Gen Z.
We alt sind sie. We alt sind sie. Okay.
What is the ma'am? Could you repeat please? How can I say 20 in German? I just forgot.
Yeah, sure. Why not? We alt sind sie. Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Ich bin 20 Jahre alt.
Okay.
Ich bin 20 Jahre
20 Jahre alt.
Okay. Ich bin
20
Jahre
alt.
Alt. Sehr gut.
Alt.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, alt. Yeah, sehr gut. Okay. Now next two. Come on. Unmute yourself. Yes. Who has unmuted? Name Shubhadeep Jana. Shubhadeep and anybody? I need two.
Yes, ma'am.
Babu Shaha. Okay, Babu. No,
Yes, ma'am.
Nilanjana ache. Nilanjana. Okay. Just wait. I'm going to converse with you. Okay. Now, Babu, you ask. Okay, you ask to your friend. Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie?
Woher kommen Sie?
Wo. W is always V. Huh? Woher kommen Sie?
Woher kommen Sie?
Okay. Now you reply. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme, Shubhadeep, ja. Ich komme aus Deutschland.
Ma'am, ich komme aus. Next.
Ich komme aus Deutschland. Deutsch. Land. Deutschland. Land.
Deutschland.
Ja, ich komme aus Deutschland.
Ma'am, এটার মানে কি হলো?
I am from Germany, or I come from Germany. Woher kommen Sie? Where are you coming from? Or which country you are coming from? Where are you coming from? Basically, whenever you're going to see this question, woher kommen Sie is basically asking about your country. Which country you are coming from? Okay? Woher kommen Sie? Here the land is not mentioned in the question. Country is not mentioned, but you have to understood that as you will always as you will take the more classes, then you're going to understand woher is means what, from where you are coming. Okay, woher
Where you are coming? ওইটার কি হবে?
woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? Yeah.
Kommen Sie. Woher kommen Sie?
Common na baba, common.
Common.
আবার কে কমন বলছে? কমন জি,
Kommen Sie.
ক আগে ক, মুখ খুলে বলো ক। সবাই বলো ক। কমেন।
Kommen Sie.
Yeah, yeah, good. Woher kommen Sie? Yeah, very good.
Woher kommen Sie?
Kommen
Woher
Sie.
kommen Sie?
Z. Okay, Z.
Z.
S is always Z. Z.
S is always Z.
Yeah. Yes, is
Woher
always Z.
kommen Sie?
Woher kommen Sie? Sehr gut. Then, ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland.
Ich kommen aus
Deutschland.
Ich
kommen aus Deutschland.
Ich kommen aus
Deutschland.
বাবা শোনো তোমরা বাবা একটু মন দিয়ে শোনো। Ich say after ich ইশ
ইশ
কখনোই ইচ বলবে না, হ্যাঁ ইচ না, ইশ ইশ কমে aus কমে aus Deutschland not land not land land
কমে
land
আউট
land
আমি একটা এক মিনিট সবাই মিউট হও আমি একটা গার্লস ভয়েস পেয়েছি, ও বারবার করে জিজ্ঞেস করছে আমাকে। হ্যাঁ বলো তুমি কে হবা? দাঁড়াও একটা জিজ্ঞেস করছে আমাকে গার্ল, বলো কি হয়েছে বলো, কোনটা জিজ্ঞেস করছে আমাকে?
ম্যাম একটু ট্রাই করতে পারি?
শ্রীলেখা আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছে কি বলে গার্ল নয়, শ্রীলেখা জিজ্ঞেস করছে আমাকে বলে হচ্ছে কি গার্ল নয়। হ্যাঁ বলো বাবা বল
আমি বলছিলাম একটু ট্রাই করতে পারি?
100 বার ট্রাই করো।
কোনটা ট্রাই করব?
কোনটা ট্রাই করব? আচ্ছা আমি তোকে জিজ্ঞেস করছি, তুমি তাহলে তার রিপ্লাই দাও, ঠিক আছে? woher kommen Sie? Ich komme aus Deutschland.
Ich komme aus
শ্রীলেখা বলো আমার সঙ্গে ইশ Ich komme aus সুরজিৎ বাবা মিউট হয়ে যাও বাবা, ওর ভয়েসটা শুনতে দাও। হ্যাঁ Ich komme aus Deutschland. বাবা ইচ না শ্রীলেখা, বাবা ইচ না, বাবা ইচ না, ইশ সবাই আনমিউট হও, সবাই বলো একসঙ্গে ইশ। সবাই বলো
Ich komme aus Deutschland.
Ich komme aus Deutschland. Deutschland. হ্যাঁ এই তো হয়েছে, ভেরি গুড, Deutschland. sehr gut, লাস্টে কে বললো? বাহ একদম শুনে দারুণ
Deutschland.
Ich komme very good, wonderful. Shomudev, very good, Shomudev. Deutschland. 100 বার মেধশ্রী, ভেরি গুড, কাম। আচ্ছা মেধশ্রী অন্য কোশ্চেন। হ্যাঁ দাঁড়াও আগে মেধশ্রী, তারপরে তুমি বলবে। কে আসবে বলো কে বলবে বলো। দাঁড়াও I am from India, so what we talk in German? 100 বার ইন্ডিয়া তো বলবেই, ইন্ডিয়া না বললে হবে? হ্যাঁ ইন্ডিয়া ইন্ডিয়ান ইন্ডিয়াতে বলবে, ইন্ডিয়াকে বলা হয় ইন্ডিয়ান, ich komme aus Indien, কিন্তু এখানে কোথাও জ্যাম বোর্ড নাই। দাঁড়াও লিখবো কোথায়? ইন্ডিয়ান বাবা এই তো কে উচ্চারণটা করলো? বাহ
ম্যাম আমি
শুনতে ভালো লাগলো।
ম্যাম
ich komme aus Indien, ভেরি গুড শুভম, খুব ভালো লাগলো শুনে।
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
ভেরি গুড ইন্ডিয়ান, sehr gut ইন্ডিয়ান। আচ্ছা আমি লিখছি, হ্যাঁ আমি এখানে আমার স্মার্ট মোড নেই।
ইন্ডিয়ান
আচ্ছা এক মিনিট নিচে লিখে দিচ্ছি, অসুবিধা হবে না। আমি একবার ডকুমেন্টটা যখন শেয়ার করেছি আমি নিচে লিখে দিচ্ছি। Very good. I'm very happy with your pronunciation that you are making today, children. Very good. Wonderful learners. Okay. Indian. Okay. Indian. Ich komme aus Indien. 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 সবাই বলো ich komme aus Indien.
Ich komme aus Indien.
এবার বলো Deutschland. Deutschland.
Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland.
Sehr gut.
Deutschland.
Toll. Sehr gut. Toll. Okay. Now, acha. I'm going to end my class here only till then, because বেশি overdose হলে মুশকিল হয়ে যাবে। হ্যাঁ বেশি overdose জার্মান হলে বলবে একদিনে সব শেখাবো না, একদিনে তো জার্মান বানাবো না, আমি আস্তে আস্তে বানাবো। But here, of course, we are going to revise this again and again, and I'll be sending this as a PDF to you. You're also going to revise it because I'll be sending a bit late because there is a printing mistake over here.
Then
JK,
A to Z, A to Z.
হ্যাঁ
Hello?
বলো 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 হ্যাঁ বলো বলো বলো
A to Z টা আমি আরেকবার একটুখানি করে নিতে চাই, হ্যাঁ, মানে আমি ঠিক লিখে উচ্চারণটা আমি ঠিক জানি না তো,
আমি
প্রথম
তোমাকে
থেকে
এটা পুরো পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি পিডিএফ অ্যাজ এ পিডিএফ, কিন্তু তবুও আমি আরেকবার রিভাইজ করবো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই।
আপ দে সে ডে
আচ্ছা হুম
এ এফ ম্যাম জিটা
গে গে বলে গা গে
গা
গা হা
গে ও গে হা
হ্যাঁ গে হা হ্যাঁ
গে হা
হ্যাঁ ই
আই ই ইয়ট
হ্যাঁ ইয়ট
কা
কা এই তো সরি বলেছে কা
এম
হ্যাঁ তারপরে
এন
হ্যাঁ
ও
এল এম আমার সেম আছে এল এম ও ও হ্যাঁ পে পে পে
কু কু
সুরজিৎ ওয়েট করো সায়ন বলছি বলুক, শুনতে দাও। হ্যাঁ বলো সায়ন বলো।
হ্যাঁ পে কু আটটা এর এস তে ও ম্যাম ইউটা উ হাউ ডাব্লিউ ম্যাম ভি এ ওয়াই
ভেরি গুড। হ্যাঁ
ম্যাম ওয়াইটা বুঝতে পারিনি, ওয়াইটা আমি ঠিক করতে পারিনি, লিখতেই পারিনি, উচ্চারণটা দূরে কথা।
হ্যাঁ ইপসিলন
জেডটা হচ্ছে
সেট Okay, very good, wonderful. Okay, now
Ma'am.
yeah. So you
Ma'am.
yeah, tell me,
Hello.
Shuman, very good. Tell me. Yes, Shuman, tell me.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you. Akash. Yes, Akash,
Yes.
tell me.
Ma'am, I have a question. How much difference between Mexican language and Spanish language?
বাবা মেক্সিকান আর স্প্যানিশ আমি দুটোই জানি না বাবা, আমি জার্মান আর ফ্রেঞ্চ জানি। গুগলে সার্চ করো ঠিক পেয়ে
কি একটা বলে,
হ্যাঁ ওটা আমি বাবা আমি মেক্সিকান শুধু আমি হচ্ছে কি আমি যখন আমার হচ্ছে কি পড়ছিলাম ওই যখন পড়ছিলাম ওই ইংলিশে যখন আমি পড়ছিলাম তখন আমি দেখলাম যে হচ্ছে গিয়ে ল্যাটিনটা একটু আছে সিমিলারিটি, বাট ইটস ডিফিকাল্ট, ইটস টু ডিফারেন্ট। মেক্সিকান আর স্প্যানিশের মধ্যে আমি জানি না, আমার এর মধ্যে নলেজ নেই, সরি। হ্যাঁ এটা তোমাকে হেল্প করতে পারবে না, গুগল হেল্প করতে পারবে। চয়ন ভেরি গুড, চয়ন বলো বাবা চয়ন।
Ma'am, I have a question. How much time it will take to learn German completely?
It depends on you, dear Chayan. It fully depends on you. How much time you will give to your German, okay? How much time you will give? It all depends on us, isn't it? How much? Yes. How much time? How much labor that we? Yeah, of course. Of course, you can learn within 3 months. Also, you can be an excellent speaker, or it will take maybe 2 years or 3 years if you are not putting that much effort to be not a fluent speaker, isn't it?
All right, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And Baba, yes, you are most welcome. Okay. And Mexican and Spanish এর ব্যাপারে আমি গুগলে দেখে আসবো, নেক্সট টাইম তোমাকে সবকিছু বলে দেবো যে কত ডিফারেন্স আছে, বাট you can also have your Google, so you can also search that. But I'm your German teacher, so ich bin eine Deutschlehrerin, ich bin Swathlika Bhattacharya, ich komme aus Indien, ich wohne in Calcutta, ich arbeite als Deutschlehrerin seit 3 Jahren und ich bin sehr beschäftigt mit Deutschsprache. Ich liebe diese Sprache und ich liebe alle für diese Sprache. Auch. That means I am Swatilekha Bhattacharya. I come from India. I live in Calcutta. I am a German teacher, and I am putting every endeavor to make you learn this language. Okay? Okay. Alles Gute. Ciao.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, thank you কে কিভাবে বলবো?
Ciao, ma'am.
Choose, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Ciao, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Wait, thank you. In German,
Thank you, ma'am.
No,
Thank
in
you কে
German,
কিভাবে বলবো
tell
ma'am?
me
Thank you, ma'am.
danke, danke, vielen Dank. Or danke will you all do. Danke, danke.
Danke,
Danke,
ma'am.
danke.
Danke, ma'am.
Danke. Danke, ma'am.
Cheers.
Danke, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello, ma'am.
yes,
Ciao.
Abu Shah, বলো।
বলছি ম্যাম আবার নেক্সট ক্লাস কবে থেকে হবে?
আমি একটু হচ্ছে কি স্যারের সঙ্গে কথা বলে নিই, তোমাদেরকে স্যার জানিয়ে দেবে, ঠিক আছে?
আর ম্যাডাম এই আজকে যেগুলো করালেন এই ম্যাটেরিয়াল গুলো কোথা থেকে পাবো?
পিডিএফ আমি হচ্ছে কি স্যারকে পাঠিয়ে দেবো, স্যার তোমাদের গ্রুপে পাঠিয়ে দেবে।
Danke.
Okay.
Danke, ma'am.
ওকে,
Danke, ma'am.
Tschüss, vielen
Danke.
Dank.
Danke.
Okay.
Ciao.
Ciao, ma'am.
Ciao, ma'am. Ciao. Danke, ma'am. Ciao,
Ciao.
ma'am.
Ciao, ma'am.
Ciao, tschüss. Ciao.
Tschüss.
Ma'am.